Hey there guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to do a quick unboxing and test of the Deity V.Lav microphone. So this is a lavalier microphone, and Deity was awesome enough to send this out to me to look at, so I definitely appreciate that. So this is a lavalier microphone, and you may notice that it is on me right now. Normally when you wear this, you want this behind your shirt so that you only see just a little part of it that's facing me, but I wanted to show this off so I could actually give you an idea of what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and give you an unboxing of it here, and then we'll go ahead and look at some tests on it. So just give you a quick look at the box here. So on the front of the box here, we do have the Deity microphone. We have their branding right there, as well as a picture of the V.Lav. On the side here, it does give you, to show that it's 5 meters long, have a little clip there. On the other side, it does say low self-noise, multi-device compatibility, long battery life, and working status indication. So that's pretty cool there. And then on the back, it tells you what's in the box here. So we have the V.Lav microphone itself, faux fur windshield, carrying pouch, foam windscreen, and microphone tie clip. So that's all there. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look. So in the box, you get a little product manual here. And this does tell you how to use the windscreen and windshield on the microphone. Gives you some information about its performance, parameters, specifications, intended uses, as well as the battery replacement inside the microphone itself. Along with that, you also get a little warranty guide here. So you're registered to get your warranty. It tells you what it covers and what voids the warranty. And here's our box here that just has a little silica gel in there. And here's our little package here. So it just says V.Lav on there. You have the Deity branding right here. And then once we open here and take the microphone out, and here we go. So looks really, really nice. Has a little wrap here for it. You have a kind of gold surround around the Deity logo. This is where your batteries go right here. And then we have the clip right there and the little windscreen on there. And then is what else we get here. Get the little poof thing here and an extra cover here for the microphone. And while it is plugged in, in order to know that it is actually working, you'll see that it has a nice green light on it. So that'll let you know that it is working. And here is how I sound without a microphone attached at all. So this is the Canon M50 without any microphone attached, just the onboard microphone with it. So here's a quick sample of how I sound with the Rode microphone on my Canon M50. So this one is aimed at me, and I have nothing on me, no lapel microphone, and this is just to give you an idea of how it sounds. Alright, and here is a sample with the Deity microphone attached. Obviously you can see the wire and everything, and I did that on purpose, so obviously you know that I am wearing it. But traditionally, if you wear this, you would have this under your shirt so that you would not see the wire. But here is your sample of that, how that sounds. So a lot of phones nowadays don't actually have headphone jacks anymore. However, the phone I'm using right now does. Luckily I had one available. This is an LG V60 ThinQ 5G, lovely name. This is a test without the lavalier microphone, so we'll go ahead and test it out now with it. Alright, so now I do have the Deity microphone on here, and this will just give you an idea of how it sounds when it's on a smartphone. So there's no settings I've adjusted or anything like that. This is just plug and play, so hopefully this gives you an idea of how it sounds. So there you have it. This has just been a quick unboxing and test of the Deity microphone's V.Lav lavalier microphone. So far, I really do like it, and I'll definitely give you a full review here in the future. If you are interested in purchasing one of these, you can find it on their website at deitymic.com, and you can also buy it from sites like Amazon, B&H Video, and that kind of thing. They sell for $49.99. And yeah, so far so good. I'll leave a link down below if you are interested in purchasing this, and definitely let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and definitely stay tuned for a full review on this microphone.